going to be tasting some very fancy wines, aren't we, Dad?
We are.
Look where we are. It's gorgeous. Oh, you look so pretty. Oh, thank you. We just got our chocolate and cheese and everything. It looks amazing. There we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So we've got chocolate from France and Melbourne and special wines. It's going to be good.
Wine's grown here at the winery.
Yes, I never even heard of them.
Chocolates with you?
Okay, so now we are...
Chocolate with you?
Dad, do you have to interrupt me? So now...
Cassie, hi.
Dad, we're going to get some lunch, and I love this. I love stepping on crunchy leaves. Does everybody know what they want to eat?
No.
I don't really know what I feel like because that cheese is, that cheese is actually quite filling.
Vlogging. Pretty proudly weird.
Yeah, whatever.
Dad, stop. Can't you read?
Oh, stop, can't you read?
Oh my god. Thank you, cheese.
Oh look, duck martins.
I would say we indulged. A lot of fun. This is all my idea, may I say.
Oh, take the credit.
It was. Just saying. Anyway, we are heading home now. And I guess I'll see you when I get back. So we finally got home. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us have an adventure today. Anyway, if you liked it, what do you have to do, Dad?
Subscribe.
Like
And follow.
No, subscribe.
Subscribe.
And comment.
And comment. Comment. Don't
Yeah.
be shy now.
Yeah, okay. So see you guys.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.